Guys, do you feel the weather today is very hot?
Yes, you're right.
What if we make juice?
What juice will we make?
What if we make mango juice? Maybe it will taste fresh?
Let's buy it!
Summer is one of the only time you can enjoy fresh homemade mango juice. Sometimes it can feel like bottled mango juice don't have the same refreshing taste. If that's the case, you can make fresh mango juice using a blender or by hand pressing the juice. Mango juice is very sweet and has a slightly taste, and that's why it is loved by many people. In education, it has consideration benefit for the human body, so everyone who is taking good care of their health needs to. Mango juice is very sweet and has a slightly taste, and that's why it is loved by many people. In education, it has consideration benefit for the human body, so everyone who is taking good care of their health needs to drink mango juice. Here we will tell you how to make mango juice at home.
Before we start to make mango juice, let me tell you how to choose fresh mango. First, color. There are many different varieties of mangoes. Some go from green to red, some end up orange, some start up yellow, and end up orange. So once you are familiar with the type of mango you are buying, you can get an idea of what a ripe one looks like. Second, smell. Ripe mango will smell sweet. Check near the stem and the smell should be stronger there. You should smell it empty. Mango should smell is a large part of your taste, so it should be very familiar. Third, furnace mangoes like this will soften as they ripen, just as it starts to go from firm to soft. It is just about right. Fourth, weight. With most fruit, you can tell their ripeness by their weight. Riper fruit will be slightly heavier than an unripe one.
Let's start. First, what you need? A blender, a mango, ice cup, one of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and sweetened considered milk. Step: first, wash the mango, and then
and then fill it. Okay. Second, cut into small fills. Then put them in a blender with ice cup to blender and 2 tablespoons and 1 milk. Okay. Blend it. If it's smooth, pour the juice into the glass. And now, mango juice is ready to drink.
From drink of mango juice. Mango is wonderful fruit that has amazing health benefits. Mangoes can boost the immunity and increase the appetite in kids. They are considered as a brain food due to the high vitamin B and can boost the brain health. They can also promote the bone health as the high amounts of vitamin K help in absorption of calcium. Mangoes help to control blood sugar and blood pressures. They have immense cleansing properties too. The high fiber in mangoes help to cleanse the intestinal walls and promote a healthy digestive tract. Hence, they can be a great food to the detox the body and promote the overall health. So, that is our video. Thank you for watching and bye!